Your racial profile.
Am I?
Yeah, you're wrong. You're assuming I'm someone that I'm not. Are you Jake?
No, I'm not Jake.
Hi, you look like Jake.
There you go. I look like Jake.
But you're Jake.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm opposite.
You're Jake.
Okay.
Get out of my face, man. You guys are harassing me. Yes, you guys are.
Hey, that's
You're fucking harassing me.
harassing
Yes, you are. No. He's harassing me. Why are you harassing me? You're assuming I'm someone I'm not.
Okay, if you're not, then
No.
you're not free to go. Okay.
Am I being detained?
Yeah, you are.
For what?
Because I think you have a warrant.
You think?
Yeah.
That's an illusion. That's an illusion. You think?
All right. Stand up for your hands, man.
I'm not. For what? I don't have a warrant.
You got the wrong guy.
You're very wrong.
Okay, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
No, you are wrong. What do you mean if you're wrong? You're wrong. You're wrong.
We're not going to play this game. Stand up.
Hold on. Hold on. You guys are not gonna try to manhandle me. I'm not under arrest. I didn't do nothing. For what? For what? Can you tell me for what? For what? I'm under arrest for what? No. If you got the wrong guy, I'm suing all of you guys. Let me get your card. Can I get your card? Okay. I'm not standing up. Listen, I'm not under arrest. I don't have a warrant. I don't have any officers.
Hey, yo. Hey, officer.
No. Go ahead. Matter of fact, look at my ID.
He got the wrong guy, I'm telling y'all.
Wrong ID, motherfucker.
You guys do got the wrong guy. You guys are fucking stupid.
That's not you.
You guys are racial profile thinking I'm somebody. I'll take both of you motherfuckers. Take them cuffs off.
Sir,
I got him.
Take them cuffs off. I'll take both of you motherfuckers right now.
this guy got the cleanest record. Y'all just.
I'll take both of you motherfuckers right now. Take the cuffs off.
For me, y'all
You guys are
y'all got
fucking
the wrong.
stupid, man. You guys are the dumbest motherfuckers
Well,
I've
they
ever
want
met
to
in
get
my life.
tough. Grab his fucking wall.
You are stupid. I don't know how you
Hey, yo,
became
y'all
a
got
cop.
the wrong dude.
Matter of fact, anybody can become a cop nowadays. Yeah, so you guys really had no other choice to do? You guys really had nothing else to go to college for but be a cop and harass me? To assume I'm somebody I'm not? My ID's in my back pocket.
Y'all got the
Watch,
wrong.
hey, watch how funny this is. Go ahead,
Watch
look at
this.
it. No, don't hate me. Look at it. Oh,
You
what
guys
does that
got
say?
it fucked up.
What does that say? Oh,
Wrong guy.
Oh.
Wrong guy.
oh my God! No, get the fuck off me, dude. Get off me, dude.
Bro,
You're
you
a fucking
fucked up.
Matter of fact, I need your cards. I need your supervisor over here. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor over here. You guys are the stupidest motherfuckers I ever met in my life. How'd you guys? What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Look at him. Look at him. Get him. Get him. Tough guy. And this guy here.
No, what do you mean? I look like him. I need your guys. Supervisor. Sir, can you please come here? Are you the supervisor? These guys are racially profiling me. They assume I'm someone that I'm not. I told them I'm not who they think I am.
And they
said, nope, you are. I'm positive you are. So, I need their cards. I need your card. I need your card. I need your supervisor. This is. No. Yes, I request your supervisor. Why is that?
Bro, that was fucked up.
You guys work with us. You guys supposed to be
No, these are the people.
Yes, I'm the people. You guys serve us. So,
That's because they're corrupt as
I would
fuck.
like your supervisor. Okay, I would like your card as well. Yep, you can have my card. And I'm gonna follow the board on you, and you. Because you guys are all stupid. You guys are the dumbest motherfuckers I ever met in my life.
See you later.
You're glad? Why, bro?
You guys really work?
This motherfucker.
Is that how you guys work nowadays? You assume someone is someone and that's it? That's all you guys need? Yeah? Oh my God, what is American game?
We're allowed to.
You're allowed to do
Allowed to what?
come up and talk to somebody, and if we
It wasn't allowed to talk to somebody. You arrested him.
assume I'm
Handcuffed him.
someone and try to...
right, and he made a mistake, and then once he figured out who you were, he unhandcuffed you.
What if somebody did that to you?
Nobody's going to jail.
What if somebody did that
I
to
was
you?
going to jail anyways.
Huh?
Matter of fact, I was going to jail
Yeah.
anyways.
You got life fucked up. You ain't gonna just buckle up and just
Leave. Just get out of here. You guys leave. Leave. You guys get the fuck out of here. Good night. No, you guys have a good night. Get the fuck out of here.
No.
Get the fuck out of here, piece of shit. You guys are the dumbest motherfuckers I ever met in my life. Get the fuck out of my face.
We're not in your face.
What do you mean? You just
We're just
arrested
down
him?
here.
You guys just
and
try
they
to-
just released us. So if he wants to make a complaint, he can go make it.
I will make a complaint.
All right.
Believe me, I will. I will make a complaint on all three of you guys.
That's fine.
Do your job better.
No,
You guys,
some
you guys
bitch shit,
supposed to be upstanding fucking citizens. You
They're
guys
not.
supposed to be
They're bogus as
upholding the
shit.
law.
Have a
You
good
guys are
night.
the dumbest motherfuckers I ever met. Go. Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, let's go. Come on, man.
Let's go.
That's the stupidest shit I ever met, man.
Hey, you good, bro? You alright?
Yeah, let's go.
You alright? You alright?
No, there's three types.
Tell me about your thing, then.
You guys don't feel stupid enough?
Fucking stupid
Not
last
one bit.
shit.
So you guys can make a mistake and kill someone and be like, oh, well.
They don't give a
Oh,
fuck.
me
I
too.
don't see
No,
anybody
we
that
got
got
niggas
shot.
outside.
How do you know? This
Could've
nigga
got
turned
there,
out,
could've
somebody
got
could have got killed or no?
Now we talk about shit.
Nobody did.
Somebody
What
could
we
have
talking
got
about?
Nobody did.
Oh, so until it happens, that's when you guys take,
So you're not-
try to
you're
take
not-
some
you're not-
responsibility.
So we left from
Y'all-
the last
Nobody
Oh.
got hurt. Nobody's going to jail.
Tell
No,
this
see you later.
motherfuckers, piece of shit ass cops. You see that shit, yo?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yo.